Hey YouTube, my name is Destiny Nicole and today I'm going to be showing you how I define my 4C natural hair. So as you guys can already tell, my hair is super dry right now, has no defined curls or coils, it's just super dry and coarse. But of course that's all about to change, so I'm going to go ahead in with my spray bottle with just water and go ahead and drench my hair with water. Styling your hair when it's wet makes it way easier to style and also defines your curls way better. So I'm going to go ahead and just drench my hair real quick with that. So now that my hair is completely drenched, I'm just going to go in with some organic coconut oil that I got from my local Marshalls, and I'm just making sure that my scalp and my hair are moisturized and just super hydrated. So now I'm going to go in with the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream. I love this product because it's super lightweight and has a very nice smell, and it really helps define my curls and coils. Moving on to one of my favorite products in the video, I'm going to go in with my Cantu Define and Shine Curling Custard. I love this custard just because it really defines my curls and smells so good. And yeah, the style just wouldn't be complete without it. So I'm going in with my twisty sponge that I got off of Amazon and just using that to define my curl pattern. I recently did this big chop, so I'm still learning on how to define my curl pattern, but this twisty sponge makes it so much easier and helps a ton. I definitely recommend this twisty sponge if you are just starting off with your natural hair journey and you're not really sure how to define your curls. After I do that, I just like to go back in with my Eden Body Works and the Cantu Curling Custard mixed together just to go ahead and redefine any curls that I feel like aren't defined to their full potential. I love working on wet hair, as I mentioned, so I'm constantly spraying my hair with water and going back in with my twisty sponge just to perfect everything. As you guys can already tell, my hair is super defined with just those two products. But now I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel and just going to set everything in place and define any loose curls that I notice. As you guys can probably tell, I absolutely love using my twisty sponge. It just really helps define my type 4 hair. You know, I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's recently big chopped and are still trying to figure out their curl pattern. It helps a ton. So now I'm going in with my hair pick. I'm going ahead and just teasing my roots with it, not bringing it all the way through, just because I don't want to undefine the curls I've already made. As you guys already know, if you're natural, shrinkage is a beep. So this step is completely optional, but I'm just going in with my Kiss Edge Fixer in dark brown, and I'm just filling in any gaps that I have. I did get a haircut a couple weeks ago, so I do have some parts in my hair, but with this I just go ahead and fill it in, and yeah, it works perfectly. I actually didn't mean to get dark brown, but I did pick it up on accident, but it still works pretty well. So now I'm just going in and doing my edges because we all know, ladies, that the style is not complete if the edges are not laid, okay? Period. Now I'm just going in with my hard bristle brush and just brushing the back because it does need to be tamed since I got a haircut a couple weeks ago. So now I'm just adding those final touches to my hair, redefining some parts, going in with my twisty sponge, and voila! This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Wouldn't trade my 4C for nothing.